Okay, so hello guys. Today we talk about block elements and inline elements. What are the block element and inline element, and how we use this? Okay, so first we talk about the block elements. What are the block elements? Block element, those element which is take the full width. Okay, on a web page. So and it is also when you are using these block elements, it is starting from a new line always. And like example, like suppose you are a paragraph and you are a heading and you are a nav bar and you are a division tag. So division tag and paragraph and heading, we already use this and always is started in a new line. Okay, and when we talk about your inline element, so inline element, it's not take a full width, it take a only only width which is required. Okay, take up as much width as much needed to display the content and the element. So like example, you are the bold tag, italic tag, and a span tag, and your image tag. So let's see practically. So we go to VS Code. So go to VS Code and uh, first you have to open the your file where you want to save this. First you have to go to here and you can create a file from here, open the folder, and then you have to go to here and create a file. This is the basic things you have to do first, these things, and then you have to write here exclamatory mark, enter, and your basic code is comes here. And here title is document, so you have to change the title. A title here a block and inline element in HTML. Okay, this is the title. Now first we check your paragraph. So paragraph p tag and enter, and we take a lorem. So like we have to take a paragraph. So lorem, the things we have to simply write a lorem, and uh, suppose that we need 10 words or 100 words. So we have to write a 10 word 10 and enter. So 10 words comes here. So you don't need to go to Google and search the paragraph and use here. Okay, so simply you can use here normally lorem and type the word which you want, 10, 20, 100 and 1000, whatever you want. Okay, so it's for a practice purpose. Okay, now and now you have to right click here. Uh, right click here and click the open with live server, and as you can see this your paragraph is comes here. Okay, so now we check here, take again paragraph and check here this paragraph is started from new line or not. So we take a new paragraph and take a lorem, and here we take 15 word. Okay, and then save this, and then we go to here, and as you can see this is this paragraph started a new line. This is the another paragraph, and this is the another paragraph, and you can see this is the started from new line. So automatically it is started a new line. So we can say that it is started from a new line. So we can say that it's a block elements. Okay, and like suppose that you can also use a heading h1 or h2, whatever you are using. So I'm taking here h1 and lorem, and I have to take a 20 word and save this, and then we go to here, and as we can see this here, this is the 20 word it comes here with heading and with new line. Okay, so this is the heading, and you can also use a div tag and uh, navbar also. So now suppose I'm using here your inline element. So I'm taking here a paragraph, and I want to change the paragraph in a italic. format. So I'm taking here a high, and then I'm taking here a lower m 30 word. Okay, so save this. So then I go to here, and as you can see, this paragraph is comes in a italic format. Okay, so like this we can use your inline elements, italic and your bold. Like bold, suppose that I'm taking here a paragraph. Okay, lower m, and taking lower m, and take here a 100 words, and enter and save this. Then I'm go to here. As you can see, the 100 words paragraph is comes here, and then I want to use here inline elements of bold. So bold, I want to bold this paragraph. So simple, I'm go to here, and then go to here, and I have to use I. No, 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 no. I have to use here a bold tag B, and then I have to go to last. Okay, so I'm taking here hundreds of word. So I have to use here bold tag close. Okay, now save this, and as you can see, this paragraph is bold. Okay, so like this you can use the block elements and inline elements. So block elements simple, always start a new line always, and inline elements you can use this and it's not started from the new line. Okay, that's the difference between of them. So like your navbar is remaining, so you can uh, uh, check the navbar also. So, and we are not talking about before a navbar. So like let's we talk about this and create a navbar here. Okay. So first of all, I have to take a nav, and then I have to take another list and enter. Then I have to take a list item li tag, and then I have to go to here and take a HRF anchor tag. Okay, so here you have to give the either your URL where you want to redirect, and you can also put here or give here your file name where you want to connect it. Okay, so I'm not here want any URL, and don't want to connect it any file. So I'm simple give here a hash and leave there empty. And there I'm taking the home. You can take as you required things. So like, and then I'm taking the second element and anchor tag, and there take hash. Here take something like about the website. Okay, and here take another LA item anchor tag, and then I'm taking here a has, then I'm taking here about us something about us. Okay, and you can also take more element as you are required. Okay, so this is the navbar we are uh, created, and save this, and control S, save this, and then I have to go to here. As you can see this, your home about the website about us is comes here, but you can see here this is home. Before home is one dot, it comes here, one dot black. Okay, so I want to remove this, and also I want to like home comes here, and about the website comes here, and about us comes here. Like this we need for creating a navbar. So for this, I already told you guys we have to use a CSS. So like before we are using external CSS. We already talk about external CSS. So today we try internal CSS. Okay, so first of all, I have to take a hierarchy class by for using the CSS step bats. things to use a class or ID. So I'm taking here a class, take any name. I'm taking here a navbar, and then I'm go to here and use internal CSS style and dot, and take the your dot. Why we are taking here dot? Because we want to access the class. So whenever you take the class, you have to need a dot for accessing the class. So then you have to need take your class name navbar. Okay, then I want to convert home and about the website and then about us. So I'm taking here a li. This is comes inside li. So whatever list item is listed, I want to convert this to align a one line. So first we have to take here your plot, and then I have to take a left. Okay, and then save this, and then we have to go to here, and as you can see this your home about the website about us, this comes a one line aligned like a neighbor, but this content is something come here, so we have to first handle this. So I'm go to here and use the break. Okay, and save this, and this content comes after this. Okay. Still, it's having the dot and dot and dot. So I want to remove this. So I have to use a one property of CSS list style, and then I have to use a none and save this. Okay, and then as you can see this is the home about the website about us. And your dot bullet is removed. Now one is problem is here, this is all everything is combined in one line, but I need a space between of them, so I need a one margin of them. So I'm taking margin here, like margin. I have to take a margin and like 12 pixel, and you are 15 pixel. Okay, and save this. Then I am to go to again here, and as you can see this is the comes perfectly. Here the space, and here is actual space. And if you want to center, you can take a margin and uh, padding accordingly. And if you want to from the this thing, this comes from the right side, so you have to take here a float right. So this things is comes from right. Okay, right, and save this. And as you can see that this is the comes from right side. So as you required, you can use a plot and your CSS property. Lots of CSS property. You can use a color and background color, whatever you are you want to design. So you have to make this, and if you want to responsive, so you have to use a margin and padding 0, and accordingly you have to uh, develop the website. So in coming days, we discuss about this website and developing the website. And so slowly we complete the CSS, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Then we develop the website. Okay, and then we talk about your modern technology, MongoDB, and Express, React, and Node.js. Okay, so slowly we complete the everything. So okay, so this is the block elements and your line elements. So I hope you understand these things. So I think if you like the video, like share and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching the video.